Assalamualaikum students, welcome to this tutorial. I am Hafida Tahmina and today I am going to discuss an important topic which is electronic displacement effect. Students, this effect is very useful in organic chemistry. So let's talk about the definition of electronic displacement effect. Students, actually the word electronic means related to electron displacement means shifting. So the shifting of electron or the displacement of an electron within the molecule is called electronic displacement effect. Students, this effect is very useful in organic chemistry. It causes the reactivity and stability of a molecule or a compound. It also causes the acidic and basic strength of an acid and base. Students, it has many types, for example inductive effect, for example mesomeric or resonance effect, for example field effect or hyperconjugation, etc. Students, I will talk about the important type of electron displacement effect, which is inductive effect. Inductive effect. Students, the word inductive means inducing, and inducing means generate. Students, as we know that a covalent bond is formed due to the mutual sharing of an electron of an atom. The atoms that are going to make a covalent bond may be similar or may be different. For example, this chlorine molecule has a covalent bond and this HCl molecule also have a covalent bond. What is the difference between them? Actually, students, the covalent bond which is formed between two same atom or atom of having same electroneggativity, it is a non-polar bond, and this is a polar bond. Why this is a polar bond? Because this covalent bond is formed due to the different element having different electroneggativity. For example, methyl chloride. In methyl chloride, this chlorine atom is more electronegative element. So it will attract the electron negativity toward itself, so it will get a partial negative charge on it, due to which this carbon will become electron deficient and it will get a partial positive charge on it. So students, the polarization of a sigma bond due to the different electronegativity of an atom is called inductive effect. Students, let's talk about the important feature of inductive effect. So the first feature is that this effect is a permanent effect. Permanent effect. It means that once a polar covalent bond is formed between two atoms, then one atom which is more electronegative in nature will get a partial negative charge, and the atom which is in low electronegativity, have a low electronegativity, will get a partial positive charge. So it will remain partial negative and it will remain partial positive till the bond is broken down between these two atoms. The second important feature is that this effect is transmitted only through a sigma bond, not through a pi bond. So it is transmitted to a sigma bond. And what is sigma bond? Students, as you know that sigma bond is formed due to the face-to-face overlapping of an orbital of an atom. And as you know that the sigma bond is very stable as compared to pi bond, because in sigma bond the electron the density is in between the two atoms. So it is transmitted only through a sigma bond. Students, next feature is that this effect is transmitted along a chain and and it gradually decreases with distance. Decrease with distance. Let's take an example of propyl chloride. Students, in propyl chloride, this chlorine atom have a partial negative charge on it, due to which this carbon will get a partial positive charge. As we know that this carbon is electron deficient in nature, so it will attract the electron density from this carbon. So this carbon, which is very near to this carbon, will get a partial positive charge. Due to which this carbon, which is very near to this carbon, it will get a partial positive charge. So students, it is gradually decreasing with the distance. As you know that the partial positive charge in this carbon, the magnitude of partial positive charge is very less as compared to this carbon. So it is gradually decreasing with the distance. The next feature is that this effect is applicable only in polar compound or polar bond. As I already explained that this effect is applicable in polar